Introducing Truthsift, a cloud-based decision support platform that helps you make objective, data-backed decisions. Truthsift, it's how we know. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create, share, and locate workspaces. As a reminder, your workspace is a folder or subfolder that contains your topics or what you are trying to come to a decision on. Simply log in or sign up to get started with Truthsift. The first screen you'll see after logging in is the dashboard. This is where everything lives. We'll start by covering all of the options in the left-hand panel. First up, we have My Workspaces. As you can tell, we've already created a folder or workspace titled HR Benefits for 2022. You'll hear us use workspace and folder interchangeably. You also have shared workspaces. These are going to be workspaces your colleagues have created and added you to. Simply navigate to the plus button on the left-hand side, and you are able to expand and see additional workspaces associated with the main workspace you're shared on. We call these sub-workspaces or subfolders. The main workspace will be at the top. We'll cover my topics in a separate video, but for now, we'd like to show you where to navigate if you're interested in managing your workspaces or creating new workspaces. Simply click Manage Workspaces to get started. In the top right, click Add Workspace. We'll start by naming your new workspace, as well as giving the new workspace a description. If you'd like to turn this workspace into a sub-workspace or subfolder, simply affiliate it with a parent workspace. If you need to add a member to the workspace, simply search for their name and add them to the list. If not, simply click Save Changes and you've created a new workspace. Once you save your workspace, it will appear in the left-hand panel of your dashboard under My Workspaces. We'll also cover how to add a user later on to a workspace in case you did not add them when creating the workspace. Simply navigate to the workspace you are hoping to share with a teammate or colleague. To the right, you will find a 3-person icon. Click the icon and you will be brought to this window. You are able to search for your teammate or colleague by name and add them directly to the workspace. You are able to continue this action and add multiple users at once. For functions like this one, as well as collaboration in general, we highly recommend you upload a profile photo for all of your Truthsift users. Once you're done adding all of the users, simply click Close in the bottom left.